NetSupport School offers a virtual whiteboard feature. The interactive whiteboard allows the instructor or tutor to collaborate with learners and increase engagement. Once you've connected to your class, select the whiteboard icon, which is usually the bottom icon on the left-hand navigation pane. Selecting on this will open your whiteboard, and you'll notice the first time you ever pop up on the whiteboard, a little message warns you that the whiteboard is not currently being shared. So you're going to need to first click OK, and then share the actual image when you're ready to with the students. Now, the virtual whiteboard works just like a whiteboard in your classroom. You can leave it blank as it is here, or you can insert an image using the Insert Image option. So if you already have images preloaded or saved to your machine, you can go ahead and grab them and then insert them in so that students can work with those. Let's share our whiteboard with our students. I'm going to click the Show button. I know that I'm sharing because the icon is turned red on the bottom left-hand side, and there's a little whiteboard icon next to all of my students. But just to be sure, let's go and take a look at what the students are actually seeing. Here we have James, and he now has a copy of my whiteboard in front of him as well. So we know that he's receiving everything that I'm sharing with him. Now on the whiteboard, I can draw or I can write. I can change the font, so I can use this in multiple different ways. If you have a touchscreen device, it makes it very easy then to go in and write something. So I might do something like a math problem. 1 plus 5 equals. Now, it wouldn't be much fun if I was doing all of the writing myself. So by right-clicking on a student, I can give that student control. Notice that the colors have changed. Now he has a red icon indicating that James has the ability to write on the whiteboard. There is a red indicator down below showing that he now has control. And the show and give control buttons are highlighted red to let you know that that's already been passed on to somebody else. If we go over to James's machine and open that up, now James has the ability to draw on the whiteboard. So because I am sharing control, I can draw as if I was James. So James can go in, and now he can put 6, the correct answer for the problem. Go back to the whiteboard, and everybody can see that James has given that answer. There's lots of different applications for this. For example, you can go ahead and insert an image and put something in there like a map or a human body and allow the students to label the different countries or states on the map or label the different parts of the body if you're in a biology class. When you're done with the whiteboard, you can also save a copy of the image, and that's going to create this little file here that you can then share with your students. It automatically saves it into your documents folder so you can easily find it, but you can redirect that and choose any of the folders or files on your machine, including your desktop if you'd like to. Then once you save that, you can go ahead and transfer that file over to your students, email it, or put it into your class drive, whatever you choose to do, so they have access to the whiteboard and therefore can reflect back on the activities that you did that day in the classroom. You also have the option to add whatever's done on the whiteboard to the student journal, which we'll be covering in a different feature focus at another time. Once you're done with the whiteboard, make sure you unclick the Show button. That's going to remove the icon from next to your students, and if we go back to their screens, the whiteboard has now disappeared, so they can no longer see the whiteboard, and you can clear this and then go ahead and start over again. Just use the Clear Whiteboard button. Now I can load a new image, draw a new picture, and start all over.